Hello, Gary, my friend. How you doing, buddy? Well, let me see if I can explain this to you right quick. Okay, so I made this post, right? You saw it. Then you said inbox me because you were the first one, so I inboxed you. And then you asked me what I was looking for, and I told you, where to find some photos. So then the next thing you said is, what's your budget? And I like the way you said that because it implied, without actually coming out, how much money you have to spend. You use the word budget, which I like that. But then it looked like you were trying to sell me on something, and I said that that's bad for your image, it's bad for your brand because our first initial contact, and you were trying to make a sale without providing anything for me. You didn't make me feel important. You made me feel like you're just in it for the money. That's the way I felt. So that's what I mean. So with that in mind, every time I see your logo, I'm going to think of our first encounter. You see what I'm saying? Because our first encounter with was you asking me about how much money do I have to spend. That's what I will remember when I see your logo, or when I see. Let me show you what I mean by that. Yeah, here's your logo right here. That's how I associate you. Let's see, put that over there. Let's see if I can move this over. See, this is your logo, and I don't even have a picture of you. So when I see that logo and I see your name, I'm going to think about our first contact, right? So that's what I'm saying. But so if you would have gave me information for free and said something like, if there's anything else I can help you with, just look me up, and you could even say, check out the services that I provide, and that would have all been fine because it didn't seem like you were out for the money. You may not have been out for the money, but that was the impression I get. And you don't want to give that impression to anyone. So, yeah, that's what I mean. I hope that helps you to understand what I'm saying. Because I did go over to your page and I did take a look and see what you had to offer. But I'm not in the market for it. But if I was in the market for it, I probably would not have bought from you because I would think that you're just in it for the money. So does that make sense? I hope it does. I do have something for you. You can get it for free. There is an ebook. I am learning so much from this thing. It is helping me so much that it would be very valuable for you. You will have to opt in to get it, but you can also opt out if you get emails that you don't like. But the book is free, and I recommend it. It's got a lot of good information in there, tons and tons of good information. It will help you immensely. All right, so I'll put the link under this video or on the next post, and I'll talk to you later, Gary. Thanks. I would like to tell you one more thing. You see this guy, Larry Beecham? He has been helping me find information left and right. Whenever I post something, he would say something. He said, I went to this webinar, and it was, I remember you had a post about something, and then he'll send me a link. He said, he helps me. Whenever he sees a post, he'll say something, and he'll lead me somewhere, and he don't look to try to make any money off of me. Now, this guy, I would buy anything from him because I associate with him with a person who helps me. You see what I'm saying? That's the difference. So Larry, if I see anything that he's promoting that I like, I will jump on it, no questions asked, because he's taken the time to try to help me in so many posts. So that would be the difference. You see what I'm saying? So I thought that was important to make mention of that. All right, that's it for now. Bye.